Is this the coolest van ever? I think so. What's up? I'm Jake from Epic Auto, and today we're going to check out this sweet people carrier van that we have and all the features that it has as well. First off, let's take a look at the specs. This is a 2014 Chevy Express 4500. It's only got 116,000 miles, all for $14,950. We just barely got it in the other day, so I still need to wash it up and everything, make it look pretty on the inside. So don't judge me for that. But overall, pretty good condition. Looks like it was probably used as a transport vehicle for some other company, possibly an old folks home or something like that. Saw some of the marking on here, but we're gonna work on getting that taken off. First things first, walking up to it, kind of the moneymaker right here. Obviously the power doors, but it has a power ramp as well. To operate that, all you simply do is hit deploy right there. Oh, you have to have the vehicle running. It's very simple. You just hit deploy, and then sure enough, deploys right out. This is a fantastic option for any of those who maybe have mobility issues or in wheelchairs. It is very wide, and as you can see, there is easy access right here. Looks like they actually took some of the chairs out in this section to be able to fit some wheelchairs down, which is very nice. And you could throw in more seats if you really wanted to have more seating. It's always an option. And to put it back up, all we hit is stow. Very cool. Let's go ahead and close those doors. Very nice. All right, let's look at everything that we have up here in the front. Like I said, only 116,000 miles. Brake is on because I have the emergency brake on. You have to have that on in order to actually use the ramp. You just get crank windows right here, analog locks, does have cruise control. Obviously this is for all of your normal uses right there as well. Right above our heads here are the controls for the AC unit in the rear. Looks like you do have an aftermarket backup camera right there. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to get it to work. We'll continue to play around with that and see if we just need to plug something in. Obviously you have your mirror right there to keep an eye on your passengers. Aftermarket radio and ice cold AC up in the front. This is just more of the power controls for your ramp. Up on the front here, looks like probably a luggage rack sits right here to be able to put your bags in so they don't fly around or anything like that. Lots of handles for people to grab onto, even on the doors, so you don't have to worry about anybody falling over, which is nice. More support here. Like I said, this space, you could put bags on it, place more seats, kind of a lot of different options. You do have the grab handles up top here as well. Speakers and lighting all throughout on it as well. I'll turn those lights on for you real quick. As you can see, all the lights are working wonderfully, great for daytime. And also, once again, if you need more room, some of the seats do fold up like this, which is pretty handy in case you actually need a little bit more space there. But in total, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Around 17 people can fit in here, which is really, really nice. Easy to get in. There are seat belts here for everybody. I do like these grab handles here, make it a little bit easier for people to get in and out. More spaces here for cargo, in case you're carrying like suitcases or anything like that. Here's that AC unit, and that is blowing nice cold. Lots of seating back here as well. Tons of room, tons of ideas, things you could do with this. Let me know down in the comments what you guys would end up using this for. I think it's an awesome deal for only $14,950, 116,000 miles. And the motor that is in this, which is a 6-liter gasser, is known to be a workhorse of a motor. Anyways, if you guys have any more questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Appreciate ya. Bye.